हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ दीप्ति फ्रॉम रुद्रा एजुकेशन। वेलकम इन रुद्रा एजुकेशन। आज हम इस वीडियो में टॉप 15 जनरल नॉलेज के क्वेश्चंस देखने वाले हैं जो आपके ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो गाइस, प्लीज़ वॉच टिल एंड प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच स्टेट हैज़ बीन परमिटेड बाय द सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्ट्री टू यूज़ drones for experimental delivery of vaccines? So the answer is option C, Telangana. The Civil Aviation Ministry has permitted the Telangana government to use drones for experimental delivery of vaccines. Next question is, which top contributor of United Nations Population Fund recently announced to cut 85% of aid funding pledged to United Nations Population Fund? Answer is option C, UK, United Kingdom. The Union Population Fund announced that the United Kingdom government has decided to cut 85% of aid funding pledged to the United Nations Global Family Planning Program. So the option C is the correct answer. Next question is, which Indian insurance company has featured in the top 10 list of most valuable insurance brands globally? ओके, तो आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, LIC. Life Insurance Corporation has become the third strongest and the 10th most valuable insurance brand globally. Option B is the correct answer of this question. Okay, now next question is, which institution has unveiled a collaborative project titled Sustainable Livelihood for Tribal Household in India? Okay, over here our answer is option C, TriFed. TriFed is the nodal agency working for the empowerment of tribal people under the agencies of Ministry of Tribal Affairs. TriFed has entered into a collaborative project titled Sustainable Livelihood for Tribal Household in India. Okay, the next question is, fifth question is, Order of the Rising Sun Gold and Silver rays in an honor conferred by which country? Okay, so our answer is option B, Japan. Our option B is the correct answer. 79 years old Bangalore teacher Shyamala Ganesh, who has been teaching Japanese language in Karnataka for 4 decades, received the Order of Rising Sun Gold and Silver Rays of Japan. Okay, now next question is, what is the tenure of the loans provided by the center to the states under scheme of financial assistance to states for CapEx, means capital expenditure? तो Answer of this question is okay. Option C is the correct answer. The Department of Expenditure has issued fresh guidelines on the scheme of financial assistance to states for capital expenditure. Okay, which Indian city set up the child-friendly police station as per the guidelines provided by the National Commissioner for Protection of Child Rights? So, answer is option C, Pune. Pune is the correct answer of this question. A child-friendly police station set up in accordance with the guidelines laid down by the National Commissioner for Protection of Child Rights. Okay, next. Which country hoped to launch its own orbital station in 2025? So the answer is option B, Russia. The Russia Space Agency hoped to launch its own orbital station in 2025 as Moscow considered withdrawing from the International Space Station program. India will build infrastructure for 3 educational institutions in which country? Sorry friends for late, but it's a technical issue. So our option A is Nepal is the correct answer of this question. Okay, the next question is, from when will be the one nation and one ration card scheme available across the country? Option B is the correct answer, 1st July. Which of the following countries parliament approved anti-defection bill? सो कौन सी कंट्रीज़ के पार्लियामेंट जो है वो एंटी डिफेक्शन बिल को अप्रूव करते हैं? सो आर आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, मालदीव्स parliament has approved the anti-defection bill with retrospective effect amidst the boycott by the opposition MPs. Okay, according to the bill, MPs elected on the political party tickets will lose their seat. India has won how many medals in the Women's Asian Wrestling Championship 2021? Answer is option B, 7. 7 medals won. Okay. Now next is the State Bank of the India allocated how much amount towards the fight against COVID-19? State Bank ने option C is the correct answer, 71 crore rupees. Okay, the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has launched which app? Indian Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman launched the Union Budget mobile app. So answer option C is the correct answer of this question. Now last question, India has topped with how many medals at the 2021 AIBA Youth World Boxing Championship? So the answer is wait. Option A is the correct answer of this question. Okay friend, this is last question and thanks for watching. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको बहुत पसंद आया होगा. सो गाइस प्लीज़ लाइक कमेंट शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा.